So, here's the question. Tell us about yourself.
I am Paul Vidayor. I am working here at City College of Cavite as an instructor of SHTM. And I've been in abroad for almost 8 years. Working, my previous job is I am a F&B general manager.
What are your best skills? Say how can help you throughout your career.
Okay, my best skills, as always, my advocacy is um, to have a good character because character means a lot to me. And of course, skills. Number one is valuing a person and valuing your what do you call this? Having perseverance and yeah, character. Number one is that.
And next is, what motivates you?
In general, my family, wife, my kids, and of course, yeah, my family.
Next question is, name a talented in your current or previous school.
My mula, I feel contented like right now. Being here in City College of Tagaytay, as a, as a college instructor, uh, motivating and inspiring our future professionals. That's what I support.
Next question is, what math courses have you taken?
I had my algebra, calculus, and statistics.
Next is, what are your learnings in your mathematics subject during college?
Learnings, a lot. Solving problems, system, ratios, calculate.
Next question is, how can you apply mathematics in your current group or position?
Now, as a college instructor, of course, about giving the grades to the student, you know, yeah, that's mine.
Next question is, describe your work-related math experience.
Before, when it comes to mathematics, working as a manager, of course, costing the food, uh, balancing, and purchasing, and costing the prices of the menu.
Last question is, how do you improve your math skills?
Actually, I'm not too good when we talk about mathematics, but just practicing and continue learning. This man never stop. You always have to practice and continue.
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm just gonna say that we're not being station about and birthday ko para makapagpapagay ako rito sa harap ko sa aming subject. So yung first question is, tell us about us. What are your best skills and explain how they help you? Next is, what motivates you? Name a time you're in your current or previous Siguro nung malapit na sa lumaki dito, gusto niyo ba yung parang gabi lang na. As next to is, what month courses ka na make? Use art ka na? Use mo. Sa tagal na, hindi ko nagamit. Maalala. Alam mo, yung learning stuff. What are your learnings in your mathematics subject? No, exam ko. Yeah, yung natin. Yung kanila, marami yung mga ay hindi ko lang may isip na lang. Ano? Yun lang, yung mga Next is, how can you apply mathematics to understand your kasi sa pagkakas mga kaya nga may invent na madaling kita, ibabay na ano ba talaga sa palagi, hindi mo akalala. May nagot yung may ulit na lang pera, kukulaan, ibabay. Kasi yung ba kung gusto niya, next, describe your work-related math experience. Kung yung kapipinta, yung maging makailan, kailangan ikan, kailangan magawa. Sige, yung mga paninagdi, hindi naman araw makakita. Kailangan hindi naman makakita. Kaya kailangan mo siya. Kaya yung math, most of the mga ganyan, kung nadata, my last question is, how do you improve your math skills? Learn. Traditional ng ganun pati kasi medyo mahirap mag-compute. Kaya kailangan lagi. Bakit mo dapat dito? Kailangan dito mag-aaral siya. Kailangan yung kailangan sa pag-ibig ng lahat ng kailangan kasi thank you po. Thank you po. Sana hindi ka ba interview?
Hi ma'am, good afternoon po. I'm Ken Mandian and we are from BSC Mandat and we will be trying to conduct an interview for our subject in mathematics. And ito po ang ating question. Tell us about yourself.
Hi, Paula Hardy. I'm called ni Ate Pao. So, from Tagaytay then graduated sa BSc in Marketing Management. So, start kami nag-business ito 2022. Business kami ng last pandemic, pero yung physical is physical siya. Ngayon, meron na akong tatlong anak and 34 weeks.
The next question is, what are your best skills? Explain how they have helped in your career. Ano po? What are your best skills?
As years.
And explain po.
Siguro kasi graduate ng marketing management. Siguro nagamit ko yung mga strategies. And yung mga tools sa mga costing, tapos kung paano i-strategize yung product.
What motivates you?
Siyempre, income, saka yung time. Para, kasi, ano ka rin ang may mostly, para ikaw na rin may pakampa sa business. And, mas malaki kasi kapag na, mas malaki kita sa business kaysa sa
It is name a time you felt content in your current or previous role.
content.
Current.
Current.
Ay,
Naging content naman kay content. So, actually, hindi pa. Parang gusto kong maging
next po is, what math course have you taken?
course. Sa college, meron kang algebra, ano ba ba? Business mathematics, accounting, walang kasama siya.
Okay. What are your learnings in your mathematics subject in college po?
Pinag-irap kasi ang math eh, pero pag i-pwede mo naman siya, pag, parang ano siya eh, parang pag sa strategize din sa business. Pag nakuha mo yung formula, magiging success.
Uh, how can you apply mathematics on your current role position?
Ayun, kasi sa mathematics, sa daily activities, business, parang kalisusod na challenges. So parang yung sa isa mo, parang nakukuha yung answer, ayun, parang related ang business. Saka yung costing.
Okay, next to it, describe your work related concepts to you.
So, ko kasi daily sales kasi yung ginagawa ko rin. Kapag kukunin mong profit, so related siya sa o ng percentage, o 30%, magkano yung payment mo sa stock,
The last two is, last two is, how do you improve your mathematics? Math skills.
syempre learning. Everyday learning. Kahit sa mga pag-solve ng math problems. So, kung hindi ka lang, search na.
Kayo po nga, nagsabi.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Let's react to Marosa. VSHF 1-15, and we would like to conduct an interview for our subject in mathematics. Our first question is, tell us about yourself.
Okay, so I'm Mary Jane Lagrina. So I'm an instructor here at City College of Tagaytay under School of Hospitality and Business Management. So my previous work is sales coordinator at Estancia Resort.
Thank you. And then next question is, what's mathematics?
Motivates me, so what motivates me is my family and my students. Okay, so sila yung motivated sa aking work.
Thank you po. Name of five, feel content in your career and your pursuit.
With my current role as an instructor, I feel contented kapag yung mga students establish yung tinuturo ko sa kanila sa class. So, syempre, hindi lang din sa class. So kahit, halimbawa, during lesson, gano'n. So, yung mga na-encounter sila na may turo ko, so yun yung fulfilling. Kasi yun narinig yung knowledge sa kanila.
Thank you po. What math course have you?
Okay, so previously, sa aking master's degree, so aking na-take na math subject, statistics and financial management.
What are you learning in mathematics subject during college?
During college, meron ako college algebra, and then math of investment, and hotel finance. So, yun yung mga subjects ko na natatandaan ko din. College, na nakatulong naman sa akin. Naging workout ko.
How can you apply mathematics in your current?
Okay, with my current position, so nagagamit ko yung math, computing the grades of my students. Yun lang. Kasi yung mga subjects na dito sa SHTM is konti lang naman yung math sa mawat. Yung mga wala pang math. Kaya yun yung math is bilang sa computing the grades.
The next question is, describe your work related to
Yung work, yung math, work-related experience is yung work ko as sales coordinator. So, ang aking role is to compute or make quotations for my client. So, yun, compute ako na kung magkano yung price yung bibigay ko sa mga client. Nakapackage, so food, room, and functional use. So, depende kung gaano karami yung kailangan nila. Kung gaano karami yung packs or yung concerts na kukumpute.
answer on that. Yung pag-review pa.
For my last question, how do you improve your maths?
With the training, since meron tinitake na master, particularly ulit sila, parang refresher with my subjects sa statistics. Kasi yung statistics, parang na-encounter ko sa high school. So yung statistics ko, refresh yung aking knowledge about it. And then financial management, meron kami na-encounter with the thesis. Siya magagamit. And then, improve your maths skills. Siguro, kasi meron naman internet. So, kung halimbawa may mga subjects tayo or may mga topics na naiintindihan during the classroom discussion. So, pwede na natin research on that. So, that way, may improve nyo or makakaroon ko rin with the math topics.
That's all po.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.